Good morning, welcome. It is a Friday morning and we are here with an ab day Friday for you. It is the end of the week, y'all. It feels like we packed in 2 weeks of activities, meetings, productivity in this week. I don't know, some weeks feel very long, and that is one thing about this week. Man, it feels like it's almost the holidays. Good morning to you. We're gonna do the first part of it will all be standing abs today. So make sure you've got one of your weights, and that's all you'll need. One weight, all right. But let's go ahead and kick off our shoes and start to stretch out. Good morning. We've got someone on the replay today. All right, sounds good. Let me know how it goes. Here we are, deep breath up. Now your setup is very minimum today. All you will need is one hand weight. Good. Start with some deep breathing. All the way to the top. Good. One more. Keep it at the bottom here. Hold it. Let's pulse for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Bring it all the way up. Starting to feel those legs. All right, give me some arm circles. We want to get in just a quick warm up. Good morning, Karen. Arm circles forward. All right, y'all, we've got 5 standing abs today that we're gonna do. Reverse those circles. Starting with a knee to elbow. All right, I'll always demo the move first, and then we'll get right into it. So your arms are gonna be up, and bring one knee across. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drive that knee. 5, 6. Give me a twist. 7, 8, 9, 10. You're halfway. 10 more. 9, 8, 7, 6. Crunch. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, shake out those arms. Good job. Your second move is a knee driver. So you're balancing on one foot. This foot is light. You're just gonna tap, arms up. Now bring your hands to your knee. Here we go. 1, 2, stay on that side. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're gonna go to 15. 8, 9, 10, knee driver. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, switch it to the other side. All right, again, balance on that one leg, arms up. 1, 2, 3, 4, good crunch. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I can feel my heart rate's coming up. Good morning, Janelle. Do you guys feel your heart beating a little bit? Excellent. Now I want you to grab one of your weights. It can be a 10-pounder, a 12, an 8, something in that light to medium range. We're gonna do a halo and drop it in the pocket. It looks like this. Around your head, come all the way down and pause right there. You're gonna go up, behind, and pause. Keep going. Here's 3, 3, good. 4, you go around the back, and 5, that's it. 6, you're halfway there. 7, watch out for that top knot. 8, that's it, Melanie. 9, 10, good, last 2. 11, and 12, excellent. All right, again, the theme for this first section is everything standing abs. Here's your next one. Push that weight all the way to the sky. One arm out for balance. And now we're gonna slowly march. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, can you feel your core engaging? 4, 5, that's it. 6, 7, 8, you got it, Roxy. 9 and 10. Now switch it to the other side. Same thing here. One arm out for balance, one arm straight to the sky. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you got it. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, think about for the next round, go a little bit heavier with that overhead march. All right, last one. You've got a side bend, so hold your weight in one hand. With that other arm, bend your elbow, and you're squeezing on this side. The side not holding the weight. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 10 to 15 each side. 4, 5, you got it. 6, 7, and if you're still working out on a Friday, 8, 9, congratulations. 10, 11, here's why I say that. 12, 13, it's been a long week. 14, 15, we've had some rain, we've had some cold. Switch to the other side. 1, 2, you're sticking with the routine. 3, 4, that still prioritizes. 5, daily exercise. 6, 7, right there. 8, ooh, 9, 10, 5 more. 5, we can definitely. 4, go heavier next time. 3, 2, and 1. I want to point something out that's related to form. When you're doing those side bends, sometimes I see people do different things, like they bring their elbow down or they just bring their neck down. We're squeezing from right here, this point on our abs. Crunch, crunch, that's what we're doing, okay? All right, get ready for the next round. Same 5 exercises. We're gonna start with a knee to elbow, okay? Grab a quick sip of your coffee. Come up for air, y'all. 10 seconds. All right, you ready? Let's do this. Ask yourself this question. Occasionally through the workout, can you go a little bit heavier? This one's all body weight only. Here we go. Knees to elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, that's it. 5, 6, keep going. 7, 8, 9, 10, halfway. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Good. All right, knee drivers. Balance on one foot. Also body weight only. Hands high in the air. Bring that knee up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is gonna get your heart rate up. 6, 7, move a little faster. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 2 more. 14, 15. Switch it to the other side. Here we go. 1 foot back, hands up. 1, 2, 3, keep it moving. 4, 5, we're starting to sweat. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Breathe. Get ready for halo drops. Grab one of your weights. Are you ready? Now, if this is confusing you a little bit, I want you to follow my lead. Start with your weights right here, right underneath your chin. You're holding it with both hands. Now you're gonna pick it up and go behind your head, bringing it around to your hip. Same thing, reverse that motion. Go behind your head, set it in the pocket. All right, let's begin. 1, do you know why we're doing these? 2, trunk rotation. 3, flexibility. 4, shoulder mobility. 5, and it's a great core stabilizer. 6, go behind the head. 7, behind the head. 8, 9, give me 3 more. 10, you're slowing it down when you get to here. 11, hold it for a half a second. Last one. 12, good job, Kim. All right, y'all, next up, stand and march. I've got a 12 pounder here and a 10, but I'm thinking about something heavier, okay? Can you grab something heavier for this next round? We're gonna be doing a stand and march. So, grab something that challenges you. We're gonna push that weight to the sky. Are you ready? Here we go, stand and march. 1, 2, 3, way to go heavy. 4, 5, keep that arm. 6, stretch high to the sky. 7, 8, 9, bring that toe up. And 10, bring it to the other side. Here we go, same thing. Second side, push it up, hold it right there. 1, 2, 3, good job, Melanie. 4, 5, 6, keep marching. 7, 8, push that knee to the sky. 9, and 10. Whew. All right, and with this heavy weight, we can do our next round of side bends. Hold it on one side, one arm up, stretch and squeeze. 1, 2, 3, and by going heavier, 4, with that weight, 5, you're doing even more right here. 6, 7, good stuff. 8, 9, 10, 5 more. 5, 4, you got it. 3, 2, and 1. Switch sides. Here we go, second side. And then we've got one more round of the circuit. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I went outside this morning. 5, 6, as I do every morning. 7, just to see how cold it is. 8, 9, 10. 5 more. Here we go. 5, 4. It was kind of right there in the middle. 3, 2, and 1. All right, get out of there. Grab a quick drink. I'm gonna look at the thermostat and see what it says. It says it's 58 degrees outside, 58 and light rain. I believe it, but it's almost like a humid, balmy cold. If that makes any sense. You look into the house lights and there's like a fog out there. It's pretty cool. All right, you ready? Let's do this. Last round. We're gonna start with knee to elbow. Body weight only. Last round, we're gonna pick up the pace a little bit. 1, 2, 3, here we go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Before we move on, let's actually extend those arms and do a toe touch. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 9, 8, toe touch. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I felt that in my shoulders. All right, get ready for knee drivers. Last round of these, arms up. Here we go for 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, and if you want to make it harder, 5, 6, 7, you're going to add a weight, 8, 9, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Pivot to the other side. Here we go. Knee drivers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get to 15. 6, 7. That's it. 8, 9. Good balance. 10, 5. Beverly. 4, 3, 2, 1. And if your heart is beating from that, good job. Good job. You want to get your heart rate up. All right, we've got the halo drops. Let's do it. Hold your weight from both sides. Start right here under your chin. Go behind your head. And drop it in your pocket. 1, 1. This is about creating a healthy back. 2, a healthy core. 3, 4, 5, 6, good, shoulders back. 7, your goal on these is 12. 8, that gives you 4 more. 9, coming up next. 10, I want you to go heavy. 11 on the stand and march. And 12, good. All right, get out of there. Set those weights down. Grab something heavy, okay? The quality of this is related to how heavy can you hold that in the sky and march. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, keep breathing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch it to the other side. Here we go. Second arm, second side. Push it to the sky. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did we get to 10? 5. That's the number. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and bring it down. All right, last one here, you guys. And then we're going to switch to the second half of our workout today. 1, 2, 3. It's actually 2 mini classes. 4, 5, combined into 1. 6, 7, 8. Good job. 9, you're squeezing. 10, 5 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Bring it to the other side. Same thing here, y'all. Finish strong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Squeeze. 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 5, 4, crunch. 3, 2, 1. Good job. All right, set that down, y'all. This is your halfway point, okay? So based on how much time you have, you've just spent about 20 minutes with core, cardio, abs. We're gonna move into part 2 of the workout. So if you can hang around with us, we've got our second class coming right up. We're gonna stay on the same channel, but all you will need is a mat